Are you ready to soup this Power Wheel up?
Yeah!
Okay, cool. And this is the regular battery, and we're gonna show them how fast it goes normally, right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna show them how we're gonna do it, and then we're gonna show them how much faster it goes, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
could you connect that battery for us?
Do you do it like this? Like this?
Oh, yeah, it goes like this.
Oh, it couldn't.
All right, so this is the normal Power Wheels battery, and we're gonna show you a before and after so that we can do a comparison. We'd like to see the difference also. Here, let me get this in here. All right, let me try this again. I think I was doing it incorrectly. With this model, you have to place the battery in there first and make sure that it slides all the way in, and then you connect it. Hold on.
It goes super slow.
Thanks for holding the car in place, guys. Go ahead and jump in the car. That way we can show them how fast it goes before. Go ahead, guys. I mean, so it goes a nice speed. It's just not super fast. How you doing? Hello. So, do you guys want to soup it up now so we can see what it does?
Yeah!
Boom. All right, drive it up there. Go. Is it slow?
Yeah. It goes slow. Everything goes slow. I saw a butterfly.
All right, this is everything that you're gonna need. Aries, can you tell us what this is called here?
I don't know what it's called.
Oh, those are called wire strippers. All right, Apollo, can you tell us what this is called right here?
Electrical tape.
Yes, good job. And what is this, Aries? Do you know what this is?
A battery.
Yes, it is the battery. And this right here is gonna be the Power Wheels adapter. And this is gonna go with the Dewalt battery. I bought like a bootleg version of it and a charger just to conserve money. And this is a bootleg version or a comparable to version. This is the 18 volt 20V max Dewalt. So this is a Dewalt converter. I know people use the Milwaukee, but we decided to use the Dewalt. You can do it with any battery. I just got the cheap version to conserve money, right? Because this is a toy, not a tool. Go. Now let's take out that battery, unplug it. That battery is heavy.
It's really heavy. It's like
Here,
heavy
let
like a brick.
me help you.
I have picked up a brick.
How heavy is it?
It's like really heavy.
Like what?
It's like something like this, like as heavy as a brick.
It's heavier, man. This is pretty heavy, man. I don't know how you have to spend all day charging this, but you can charge this in 1 hour and you can keep going, right? So this is definitely an upgrade. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is cut this loose. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get it as close as we can. Well, let's do it like this. Bam. Bam. Now let's go ahead and strip these. So we've got the wire stripped, and then we're gonna have to strip these here. These wires are thinner than these, it looks like, so I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we're definitely gonna try it. All right, and this is the Power Wheels Dewalt adapter. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and connect these. Make sure that you have enough length on these wires to twist them together. And we're gonna go black to black. Then we're going to use some electrical tape to make sure that this is secure.
This is me. This is a gamer. He doesn't have friends.
All right, so I recommend that you put on a helmet, right guys? Because we don't know how fast this is gonna go, and I've seen some of these cars do wheelies, right? So Apollo doesn't have a helmet, so we're gonna surprise him with this one right here. Check that out. He has no idea what it's gonna be. Could you cut those little straps right there for us?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, Apollo, this is the one we have for you.
Yay!
You like it?
Who is it?
Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda, huh? All right, let's get that on you so we can test this out.
It actually has real balls.
With these, you should be able to fly. Look at those ears. All right, let's see your chin. Okay. All right. Remember, we do not jump out and we keep our hands in.
All right, let me see what you look like, guys.
Look at Daddy.
All right, so now we're gonna go through and I'm going to put in this battery and let y'all see that I actually am connecting this battery. Guys, do not press that because I have to catch y'all actually moving.
Do not press the gas in that. Wait till he mints.
All right, guys, so you can see there's no other battery in there. It's just this and the adapter. And we're gonna connect the battery here. That's all you need. There it goes. Close it. Let me make sure we got a smooth video here. Okay, this is gonna be the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1, go! I actually have to jog with them to keep up. Does it go faster, guys? Let's go. It'll probably go a whole lot faster if I just put one child in it, huh? It at least doubled in speed. It at least doubled in speed, huh? That's at least double the speed for sure. Because it couldn't even climb up a driveway before. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna test it out with one kid in it and see how it goes. Aries, let Apollo drive it by himself. Go, Apollo, you by yourself first. Let's go. Whoa, is that fast or what? Apollo, drive back over there to where Mama is. Apollo, drive back to where Mama is. Stay on the sidewalk. All right, guys, when I tell you to go, I want to see how your neck snaps back. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Drive it back home. That's it. That's enough for today. I don't feel like running around anymore. Let's go. So what do you guys think? What do you think, Paolo? Was it faster?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
How much faster was it?
Probably this huge.
Oh yeah?
Aries and Apollo Adventures. If you like this video, like and subscribe now.